Hello friends! Today we're going to make our own flowers out of pipe cleaners. So I've separated out my green pipe cleaners from my other colors because I would like to have green stems. But if you would like to use another color for your stem, that is totally fine. You do whatever feels good to you. So I've separated mine out just because that's what I feel like doing today. I'm going to take a yellow one to start, but you can pick whatever color you want. I'm going to just make a circle and cross these over, not a whole bunch, not like this, but more just like this. And I just want to have a little clasp here. So I'm just twisting these. And that will give us a little bit of a tight circle there. And then I'm going to pick orange. Let's do an orange one. I'm going to do the same thing, make a circle and cross them over just a little bit and bend this down. And then bend this one over in the opposite direction. That's how you make it tight, like a knot. So then I'm going to hold them together like this. And I'm just going to pinch in the middle so that it looks like a little bow tie. And then I'm just going to fold it. Then I'm going to take my green stem and I'm going to put it underneath here and just pinch these two together. And then I'm going to pull this top part of my stem down and around. Now you can tie this two ways. You can twist this around the bottom part of your stem, or you can just keep going around like that. Whichever way your hand wants to go is fine. So that will be the top part. And then I'm just going to start opening up the petals like this, in whatever way feels good to me. So you can open up yours in whatever way feels good for you. And then I've made myself a little flower. Now you can also make leaves from another pipe cleaner. You can use the whole pipe cleaner if you want, but I am just going to snip mine because I don't want my leaves to be very big. Sometimes that can be a little tricky, so you might need an adult to cut that for you, but I was able to cut it with my child safety scissors. So I'm just gonna put that piece over there. And then I'm going to take this little piece and just fold it over so that it's a little bit of a knot. And then I'm just going to loop each side down like this. And the little piece that's sticking out, just tuck it under and twist. So we will loop this around, and you want it to cross just a little bit. And then twist it on the stem, that little end piece. And then I have a flower with a stem. So let's do one more. Let's do pink and maybe purple. Whoops. So just crossing them over again, bending the tip down underneath, and this tip over top because you want them to go in opposite directions. Same with the pink one, cross it over, put this one over the top, put this one under the bottom, just so it's kind of like a knot. Then you've got your two, you can do three. Should we do three? Let's do three. You can do four, you can do one, whichever you like. So just cross that over and then twist that little end piece under and over. So now I've got three colors. I'm going to pinch it in the middle. And then I'm going to pinch these together. And then pinch them down again. And I'll take my stem and just wrap that around. And then pull my petals up. They're nice and bendy, so you can make them go in any direction that you like. the more pipe cleaners you use, the more floofs your flowers will have. And that is up to you how you would like them, how many you would like them to have for petals. Then take your leaf piece, stick it underneath here and twist this part over, and then take the other piece and twist it back so you kind of have a little knot around there. And then just make a little bend here, bringing the end to the middle. And when it gets to the stem, just tuck a little piece over so that it catches. Same here, make a little bend. Have this little piece wrap around the stem, and you have a couple flowers. These are nice to give to people. They can last forever, and they don't need any watering. A great way to display your pipe cleaner flowers is to display them in an upcycled cup. So if you've got an old plastic cup or a styrofoam cup or something that would end up in the garbage, you can repurpose it as a vase for your pipe cleaner flowers. I hope you had a lot of fun making your flowers today, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.